This is Dan. He is a student, willing to learn, but he is weak at school, I mean very weak, and wants to improve his study, in all his subject, and then he thought of getting a tutor online. For home studies and adequate preparation. Meet Evelyn. She is a licensed teacher on Educlass, skillful and smart in teaching. Evelyn will help Dan improve his skill on Educlass. She will also prepare him for the university tests on Educlass Dan is having next year. No more bad grades, Dan is happy and well prepared. Identify needs, custom and online learning for schools and tutorial center, students increased results and performance on educlass.com.ng. Your personalized online tutoring program and instructor. Visit www.educlass.com.ng. For sponsorship and advert, please call 081459169557.